Microplastics are possibly the most serious type of pollutant that our society has ever created.
It's everywhere. You go out into the world and you're going to be exposed to it.
We're finding microplastics wherever we look in the human body.
Plastic is like the embodiment of capitalism. It made possible the material world that we live in now. They are the bones, the skin, the connective tissue.
Virtually every molecule of plastic ever created still exists somewhere on Earth. The plastic never disappears, it just breaks down into tinier and tinier particles.
This is soil or plastic? Plastic soil. We are producing poisonous food. We are poisoning ourselves with our hand.
Oh, yeah, look.
Was that plastic?
I'm still processing the fact that this stuff is really in my body.
This is the story of a new world. A world that begins in the mysterious and invisible universe of atoms and molecules.